guys, it's Dan Sfera from theclinicaltrialsguru.com. That's theclinicaltrials.guru as well. Keep sending me your questions. I don't care how you send them, just keep getting them in there. I don't care if you email me, Dan at theclinicaltrialsguru.com. You can cyber dust me. A lot of people have been cyber dusting me. Add me on there. It's Dan Sfera. Tweet me, Facebook message, LinkedIn, whatever, however you want to get a hold of me. Send me your questions. I'll keep you anonymous. Today I'm answering one. I've been trying to do like multiple videos in between my Clinical Trials Guru, which is obviously clinical research focused blog, and my real estate blog, Sfera Real Estate. I've been doing like 4 videos a day, so some of these are going to be from my car while I'm driving with my GoPro. Others are going to be in the studio or at the different locations, different clinics that I'm at. So bear with me, but I will get you the content whenever you send it to me. This way I don't forget the questions. So today's question is about, there's a statistic that recently came out that said that 80% of all remote-based monitoring visits and risk-based monitoring visits actually occur at 20% of the sites. So it's the 80-20 rule over and over again, and risk-based monitoring is no different. You have 20% of the sites that require 80% of the attention from the CROs based on risk-based monitoring, and this may be for many reasons. The most obvious reason is they enroll a lot. Maybe they're high enrollers and a lot of the data is coming from these sites. Another thing is maybe there's a lot of queries from these sites. There's a lot of issues as far as protocol deviations or just queries, or maybe different adverse events that other sites are not reporting, or the opposite, maybe they're one of the only sites not reporting certain adverse events that everyone else is reporting. Whatever the issue is, 20% of the sites are accounting for 80% of the risk-based monitoring. So the point is, you do not want to be on this 20% list. Now, if you're on there just because you're a high enroller and no other reason, that's fine. And I'm going to do another video on high enrolling sites later. But if you're in that top 20% of sites because you're enrolling a lot, make sure your data is clean. Make sure you're reporting adverse events the way you're supposed to be. Make sure that your PIs are responsive and they have oversight. Make sure you're responding to queries in a timely manner, and you're acknowledging safety reports. However, if you're on that 20% of sites for any other reason, specifically negative reasons, you are very likely to not get future studies from that CRO or sponsor. Like I said, especially right now when there's such a low supply of clinical trials out there and you have so many sites competing for the same trials, sponsor's not going to mess around with your site if you're on that 20% of sites that don't respond to queries, or that are having like weird data going on, or like strong deviators from the norm as far as other sites. Unless it's for enrollment and you've got all your ducks in a row, you don't want to be on that 20% list. It's just not going to be good for your research company going forward. If you need help, reach out to me. I do consulting. And if you're a brand new site and you screw up on the first couple of studies you get, your only hope at that point would be to find another PI, maybe. So be careful, guys. Their risk-based monitoring is here to stay, and you gotta make sure that your site is prepared for how to deal with the risk-based monitoring, and you have to understand how you're being looked at by the sponsors and CROs. So hope this video helps answer your question, and keep sending them. Dan at theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Thanks a lot.